Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to take you through 7 of the greatest use cases of Manus AI. Let's do it. So ladies and gentlemen, to get started, we are in manus.im/app and we are using the free version. You can go ahead and see that you have your credits up over here. You get 1,000 free credits and daily refresh credits as well. All right, so let's go ahead and start with our prompt number 1. Act as a TikTok growth expert, analyze the profit at this particular URL and include content, audience, and strategy. Provide personalized growth recommendations and draft a check-in message. Now, of course, what you'll have to do here is just take this and add in your TikTok URL. You can go ahead and click send, but before you do that, if you don't want to add your URL, you can actually go to connected apps and go down to add connectors and come into custom API, add your API over here from your TikTok shop, your TikTok store, your TikTok page, and then it can connect directly with Manus. You can see now that Manus has really gone to work and given me a full-blown expert analysis over here of absolutely everything that I need to do to grow my TikTok channel. The next prompt we are going to use for the next use case is cloning a website. Now you can clone the website located at, enter the URL, access the site to understand its structure, and create a complete local copy with all code, images, and style sheets. Right, so now what we can do is just add in our URL. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's open up this website over here. It is called cookcollectivekitchen.com. And just a disclaimer, I do not want to steal this website. I'm just using it as an example for educational purposes only. So let's go ahead and copy the URL, go back into Manus, and let us go ahead and do our worst. Go and enter that, and let's hit enter. You can see now again, Manus AI has done a lot of thinking. It's cloned my website. You can see that it is put it in a zip file. You can go ahead and click on it, download it, and once it's downloaded, as you can see here, you will actually be able to deploy it. Our next use case comes in right over here, where we are going to create an in-depth practical course on using Manus AI for work automation. You can now include any examples, images, quizzes, and real-world use cases, and start with a detailed outline. Now, of course, you can make a course, an in-depth course for literally anything, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say send. But before I say send, you can actually, again, connect any apps that you would like to. So let's say you've got some assets in Google Drive. You can connect that without having to import all of those files. Let's say you have something in GitHub or on your browser, or if you would like to connect somewhere else, you are able to then just connect over here with any one of these connectors. Let's go ahead and say send. Yet again, ladies and gentlemen, you will see there is a preview over here of the courses that were created, and here is the full course. It's in Markdown. You can also view all the files in this task. Let's move on to the next use case. We are going in right over here. We're going to say analyze these stocks. We're going to use Tesla, Nvidia, and Meta. Compare financial metrics, growth potential, and risks. Recommend the best investment to double the money efficiently. Let's go ahead and let's send that prompt. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see here I have a comparative analysis of Tesla, Nvidia, Meta. You can open this up now. It's in a doc format, and you can actually analyze this and then also ask follow-up questions. Let's jump into our following use case. We are now having Manus AI act as an SEO expert. It needs to analyze a website and look for any technical SEO issues, keyword strategy, content, and user experience. You can also provide additional SEO recommendations with timelines. Let's go ahead and enter a website here. We are using our friendly friend Cook Collective Kitchen. Let's go ahead and we can say send. As you can see, again, it's given an actionable SEO recommendation and timeline for this website over here. Of course, you can use your own website and you can further analyze and ask follow-up questions directly in the chat. Let's go ahead and enter our next use case prompt. Access the investment report from Google Drive, and you're going to add the file name, evaluate the findings, provide feedback, and counter arguments, risks, and alternative strategies rationally. Right, so now we can actually go into connect apps, and here you are going to connect your Google Drive. So let's go ahead and click on that. And here we are going to just go and click on connect. Make sure that you are selecting all over here so that Manus has full permissions. Okay, this is awesome. Now we are in. You can go ahead and just say try it out, manage, or you can just close this. You may have to refresh your page as well, but ultimately it is now connected. Go ahead, add the file name in over here and click on send. The last use case is not one single prompt. However, it is if you need to run simultaneous projects at the same time. You can literally do it side by side, but you will have to upgrade for that. So what you want to do on the bottom left, you'll see settings. Click on that, come down to usage, and here click on upgrade. Now, if you want to upgrade to their basic, it is $16 a month. It will be, in this case, billed yearly or annually. But if you want to just buy the 1 month plan, it's $19. On the plus plan, you actually get 7 days for free, which is actually awesome. It's only $39. And if you really are going to use Manus on a day-to-day basis and build great things, it's definitely worth the plan.